past my head, girl. It's such a blessing, girl. But I'm for the rest of my life. A blessing, girl. A blessing, blessing. Yeah, such a blessing.
What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how I did these extended distress locks on myself. Hope you guys liked the video and stay tuned to see how I got this wonderful look, period. Okay, so what I do is I extended them off of my head. So what I first do is comb out the ends of one lock, and then after that's combed out, I take the loop of the second lock and I open it up so that I can get a clear hole or whatever the case is. Then I put one end of the lock and I slide it through, and then it will be interlocks into each other, right? So after it's like that, that's when you take the two ends of the lock which you combed out, and you will tie that into about 3 knots just to make sure that it is secure. So I'm just gonna tie the knots right now. Mind you, these locks are 18 inches each, so altogether it was 36 inches. And I'm not trying to tell nobody what to do, but I like long hair, and these were like too much. Like, I do this at your own discretion. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But anyways, to conceal the knot, what I did was I just twisted it together, and it's just gonna automatically conceal itself. And then I'm just showing you guys how it looks. But now it's time to install the lock. So what I do to install it is I just push the crochet hook straight through the braid, underneath the braid at the base. Then I take the loop of the lock, get that through, latch the hook closed, pull it through, and then instead of taking the lock and slide it into the braid, slide it to the loop, I would take the braid and slide it into the loop. So you see, I'm taking the braid and I'm just pulling it together, and that's how you just kind of like disguise the crochet look, and that's how you get it to look like the judge are like handmade, whatever the case is. Because I'm telling you guys, I did this before, but I did it like handmade, and it took like 12 hours, but this didn't take as long. Anyway, so to conceal the braid, what you do is you just want to like stretch the lock open. Like, you just run your fingers straight down the lock, and then that's how you get the lock to open up. And then you go ahead and just wrap it around the braid. Nothing complicated. The only thing you have to really pay attention to is look at the way the lock is twisted, because if you twist it the other way, then the lock is gonna start to unravel. So that tripped me up a couple times. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that had me messed up. Like, I did a couple of locks, and then when I was done, it was unraveling, and the reason that was is because I started twisting it the other way. Now back to what I was saying about the length. Like, I'm someone that likes long hair, so I was like, yeah, I'm about to do 36 inches, but it was so annoying to maintain. Like, so annoying. But you guys can do what you want to do. I'm just letting you guys know. It's light, but it's still annoying. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but if I was doing this again, I wouldn't do it this long, because it just doesn't have to be this long. But I was being extra, and now I learned my lesson. So, oh yeah, by the way, I kept this hairstyle in for like 2 weeks. Cause I don't know, like, it just got old really fast. Like, this hairstyle was only cute to me for like the first couple of days, and after that I was low-key over it. But I'm not trying to discourage you guys or nothing, but I'm just letting you guys know my honest opinion about the hairstyle. It was really cute though, I'm not gonna lie. But so I'm gonna show you guys me wrapping the lock around a couple times, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start crocheting the locks into my head, and then I'm gonna twist all of those in to hide the braid. And then after that, I'll be back to tell you guys head off when it's time to add the distressed look. But yes, back again. So one of these locks, just exactly like I'm doing right now, ended up twisting it the wrong way, so I had to really untwist it, and I had to untwist it and do it over, because when I was finished, it started unraveling. So I was like, why is that happening? And then I realized I was twisting it the wrong way. So really pay attention to what way the lock is supposed to be twisted, and don't twist it the opposite way, because then it will unravel. Okay, so off camera, I did go ahead and do the one section, but in order to do this, I'm using some waterwave here from Freetress, and I'm just going in and crocheting it in, and I'm leaving one side shorter than the other side so that I can have enough hair to wrap around the full dread. And after you crochet it in, you just want to wrap that waterwave hair around the base about 3 times, and then you begin twisting all the way down. And when I'm twisting it down, I'm twisting it down in like a diagonal motion so I can have like ridges in the lock. There's like a short piece right there, but I'm gonna wrap that up after. So as I'm twisting down, I twist it in a diagonal motion so that it's just not one complete lock, so that it has like those small little ridges in it. And by the way, this was like a talk through video, but I just don't like talk through videos. Like as I'm doing it, and then when I'm editing it, when I'm editing it, I be like, I'm mad annoying. I gotta talk. I gotta do a voice over this. So I end up doing a voiceover like 99% of the time. But yeah, I'm just wrapping that down. This is like the simplest part about the hairstyle. This is actually the funnest part too. And it's because this doesn't have to be perfect. You can wrap it around any way you want to. You can wrap around one braid tighter than the other. I meant to say lock. You can wrap around any lock tighter than the other. It doesn't matter because when it's done, it's going to all come together, and then that's how you get the messy look. So that's basically it for the video, but I am gonna do more locks on camera so you guys can just see the gist of it, but it's really no mathematics. By the way, I didn't use new locks. I used this brand that I got from Amazon, which is like way more inexpensive, and everything I use will be in the description box down below, so you guys can go down there and check it out, and it's gonna have a links there as well. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished look. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.